eliminate agad. Tema na sila kayo. Di.
Wala pa, 9 minutes to 17. Shot kay Iverson, no good. Rebound by Heat.
Ayan, tama yan.
Dan, selamat. Selamat, selamat. Masih kan? Wala pa rin. 87. Aray! Go! Foul! Wala block by number 18 na block ka. Uy, ang lakas. Sinabi na talaga, nabi ko kay. Block by Tina. 8:19 ang oras. Wala pa rin na may score. Even sa 10, pero nakakuha pa rin itong isa. Even sa 10, pero nakakuha pa rin ang isa. And by block by Dave. Nakakuha Tina. Nakakuha na si Insan. Tina, lumad. Wala. Rebound nyo. Rebound ni Mark. I need James wala. Wala pa rin score. 17-50. On zero pa rin. Next game po, lose naman tayo. 3-3, no good. Ibang Martina. Tulamin pala, hindi binulat natin nung 17th round. Ryan. Foul by jersey number 0, Santos. Nakasapo. Score, on zero po, ang score, on zero po. 7 minutes and 10. Sabi ni Mayalison, sabi ni Santos. Labas ako. Next game po natin, lose. Team D versus Team F lang rin. Good ball. Ingat. Good ball pa rin. Wala pa rin po tayo score. 6 minutes and 37. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Rabin. Ayun na kaya? 2 points. Rabin, number 3, number 12. Martina. 6 minutes exactly. 6 minutes. Tina. Tristan, taking 2. No good. Rebound by James. 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Pakistan. Baby is move. Good. Rebound by. Boleh Team C, score 2-0 pa rin. 5 minutes and 28. Short jumper, no good. Rebound by Denbal, umaisi natin. Block by Team. Foul by jersey number 0. Luis Manuel, 2-0. Score 2-0. 5 minutes, last possession. You were finished na po. Last possession. Denbal, short jumper. Change na po. All 2 lang. All 2. Change na. Basket by Rostam by Ryan Denhal. To Santos. Santos. To Pina. Short jumper. 2 points. Isaac Pina. 4-2 in Timoro. TV. 4 minutes and 30. And ball. Nice divide. Jersey number 69, James. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Then ball to James Lotang. Short jumper. No good. Bye-bye. Kanina ang bola. Okay. Bola daw ng EB. Score 4-2. 4-2. David 75. Last one na yan. Good ball. Ramil.
Boss, thank you. Baka kami.
David, thank you. Thank you. Nakapag-video na kayo? Thank you, David. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, sad. 3 by Isaac Pina pala. 7-2. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ingat kayo. Salamat. Long 3. Long good. 3-5. Bola lang. Easy. Score. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2 ang score. Bola lang. Easy. Lamas na po.
3 minutes.
3 minutes and 7 seconds. 7-2. Next game po, lus-lus po. Then, win-to-win po tayo. Bilang lipat. 2 points.
Okay. Yun. 90 lang tayo mo. Ako ba rin dito? Two minutes and 34. 9-4. So good. Wow. 2 minutes and 70. Karena beliau 2 minutes and 5. 3. So good. Last 2 minutes. So good. 2 points. 9-6. 1 minute and 47. One minute and 37. 9-6. 9-6. Tatlo lang. Nine seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute to 17. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. So good. 15 seconds. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. Good ball yan. Good ball. Good yan. Good, good. Two points. 30 seconds. 24 seconds. Shot clock off. 20 seconds. Last one na po. 16 seconds to shoot. 3. 8 seconds na lang po. Wala na shot clock. 5 seconds. 1. 14-6. Panalo. Team B. Next game na po.
Next game na po. Gusto nyo sa po.